Hey there, folks. Have you ever dreamed of earning $20,000 a month online with almost no work? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to make that dream a reality. First up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online. By promoting other people's products, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. All you need to get started is a blog or social media account. Share stuff you genuinely love and watch the cash roll in. Next, there's dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory. When someone buys from your store, you purchase the item from a third party and they ship it directly to the customer. Sites like Shopify make it super easy to set up your own online store. It's practically a money-making machine. Now let's not forget about creating digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, or even design templates. Once you've made the product, it can be sold over and over again, generating passive income. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable can help you get started. And finally, don't underestimate the power of YouTube. Yes, YouTube. With engaging content, you can build a massive following and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. And guess what? You don't need expensive equipment to start. Your smartphone is enough to begin your journey. So there you have it. 4 simple ways to earn $20,000 a month online with minimal effort. It won't happen overnight, but with consistency and a bit of creativity, you'll get there. Start today, and who knows, your financial freedom could be right around the corner. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you next time.